Yes, sir, Took Bishop guy. And as you can see, we got mail. Yes, sir. So it's nothing special going on for today. Just a few packages, as you know, for our builds. So the first package we got, nothing special, just we got our dash kit in, Kia base. Like I say, y'all don't see me in Kia base too much, but yeah, we gonna do some finishing touches on Kia base. And that's all for a reason, but we'll get to that later. Right now, we just got some packaging. As you can see, we got the dash kit for the in-dash screen for Kia base. We still contemplating things, figure out what type of stereo we want to get and put in Kia base. So anybody have any recommendations, leave them in the comments. Yes, sir. That's the dash kit for the screen for Kia base. Like I said, any comments, leave them. Any recommendations, leave them in the comments, man. Yes, sir. Our other package for today. Let's say we got many ways. Like I said, we've been doing this car audio for a while. We got many ways to get it done, but we needed a portable way to crimp right there at the spot for the times that we need to crimp wires that are already on the vehicle. So we got us a crimping tool. Real simple, easy, hammer style crimping tool. Like I say, the reason we got this, simple. Like in the last video, we had E-bucks that we needed to spend. Well, we purchased this tool with our Amazon Prime promotional account money that we had that they gave us. Yes, sir. And you know how that works is they give you a gift card. It has to be something that's shipped from and sold by Amazon, which cuts your options down real low. So we found something that we can use to get our free promotional money from Amazon, and this is what we got. Yes, sir. Let's get into it. Yes, sir. Like I say, nothing special. Just an old hammer crimping tool. And like I say, this is just unpackaging. We'll do a review on it later, man, on our other channel. We'll get to that. But for anybody that doesn't know how the hammer crimping tool works, it's simple. Sit it down on a hard surface. And then so you get your wire lug. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, so we get it in there and get back. Simple. You push it all the way in there until the rib stops it. Facing up. You get your trimmed wire. Stick it in there like that. After you got your trimmed wire in there, you want to hold it in there securely all the way to the back of where you the terminal. Get your hammer. Like that, of course, with a lot more force, but I can't do it and hold it and show you. This is just for demonstration purposes. And after you give it one good solid whack with a heavy hammer, some people like to give it a few whacks with a little hammer, whatever makes you feel secure. I just recommend that you make sure if you do whack it multiple times, that you make sure you whack it in the same spot to get the best print. Yes, sir. Like that. We got a very nice print. Yes, sir, too, Mr. Guys. Just unpackaging. Quick reveal. And we'll get back to y'all when we get to using these tools to finish our installs. So, Mr. Guys, we out of here. A word unto the wise is enough.